Did you know that your breakfast habits could be the key to a longer life? It's true. The first meal of the day sets the tone for your overall health and well-being. It might sound surprising, but what you eat to start your day can have a big impact on your health and well-being. A nutritious breakfast can provide essential vitamins and minerals, boost your energy levels, and even improve your mood. We can learn a lot from communities around the world known for their longevity, often called blue zones. These regions have some of the highest concentrations of centenarians, people who live to be 100 years or older. These communities share more than just old age. They have unique lifestyles and eating habits that contribute to their long lifespans. Their diets are rich in whole foods, and they often enjoy meals with family and friends, fostering strong social connections. One common thread: they all prioritize a healthy breakfast. This meal often includes fresh fruits, whole grains, and other nutrient-dense foods that provide sustained energy throughout the day. Let's explore the fascinating connection between breakfast and longevity. By adopting some of these healthy breakfast habits, you too can take a step towards a longer, healthier life. We've all heard that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. It kickstarts your metabolism, gives you energy, and helps you focus throughout the day. A well-balanced breakfast can include a variety of foods such as whole grains, fruits, nuts, and lean proteins. But for the world's longest-living people, breakfast is more than just a meal. It's a ritual that sets the tone for a healthy lifestyle. In many cultures, breakfast is a time to gather with family and enjoy a peaceful start to the day. Skipping breakfast can lead to overeating later in the day, which can increase the risk of obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. When you skip breakfast, your body craves quick energy, often leading to unhealthy food choices. By eating a nutritious breakfast, you provide your body with the essential nutrients it needs to function optimally, including vitamins, minerals, and fiber, and protect itself from age-related diseases. A healthy breakfast can improve your overall well-being, boost your immune system, and even enhance your mood. So, what exactly do the world's longest-living people eat for breakfast? The answer is simple: whole foods. Think fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. In Okinawa, Japan, a typical breakfast might include miso soup, tofu, seaweed, and brown rice. In the Nicoya Peninsula of Costa Rica, it's common to start the day with gallo pinto, a dish made with rice, beans, and vegetables. These breakfasts are packed with fiber, antioxidants, and other nutrients that promote good health and longevity. Section 4. Simple changes for a healthier breakfast. The good news is that you don't have to completely overhaul your breakfast routine to reap the benefits of these longevity-boosting habits. Start by incorporating more whole foods into your breakfast. Swap sugary cereals for oatmeal topped with fresh fruit and nuts. Instead of processed meats, try eggs or Greek yogurt for protein. Small changes can make a big difference. Experiment with different flavors and find what you enjoy the most. Section 5. Your journey to a longer, healthier life. By adopting the breakfast habits of the world's longest-living people, you can take a proactive step towards a longer, healthier life. These habits are not just about the food itself, but also about the rituals and practices surrounding breakfast time. Remember, it's not just about what you eat, but also about how you eat. Eating slowly and mindfully can significantly improve your digestion and overall well-being. Take the time to enjoy your breakfast, savor each bite, and practice mindful eating. This means being fully present during your meal, appreciating the flavors, textures, and aromas of your food. And here's a bonus tip. Did you know that certain spices can further enhance the health benefits of your breakfast? Spices like turmeric, cinnamon, and ginger are known for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Stay tuned for my next post, where I'll reveal my favorite longevity-boosting spice and how to incorporate it into your morning routine. This spice can easily be added to your favorite breakfast dishes, making them not only tastier, but also healthier. What are your favorite breakfast foods? Do you have any special recipes or ingredients that you swear by for a healthy start to the day? Are you inspired to make any changes after learning about the breakfast habits of the world's longest-living people? Maybe you'll start incorporating more whole foods, or perhaps you'll try eating more mindfully. Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your breakfast routines and any new habits you're planning to adopt.